Good morning everyone. Good morning class 1 Pine. 1 Pine, are you ready for the mathematics class? Are you ready beta? Are you ready for the math class or not? Reply me on chat quickly beta. Okay, fine. Ayushman, Shushovon. Good morning all of you. Good morning beta. Good morning. Let's start now. You all please take out your math magic book. You all please, fine. I know you are very good girls and boys. You all are ready for the mathematics class. Let's start. Aradhya. Now Udhya. Udhya. Chalo, let's start. You all please open page number 11 of your math magic book. You all please take out your math magic book and open page number 11. Page number 11. Okay. Shorting. There is written shorting. Okay. Previous class we have discussed shapes and space that and circle, that means which one is round we keep in a one box, and square that means cube, square, that type of rectangle we keep in another box. Previous class we discussed shapes around us. Okay, and today I will discuss shorting, short shapes by joining with similar shapes. Short shapes by joining with similar shapes. Okay, here look, few different types of shapes, objects are there and their shapes are different, right? And few are like this round, circle, right? Round, and we can say is this a circle, and when if I say these are the solid shape, it's a sphere. Okay, and this type of shape, it's a cone. It's a cone and it's a triangle. Triangle, and the solid shape, it's a cone, and the shape is triangle. It's a circle, and this is cube, that, and it's a square, and it is a like a cylinder. Okay, so these are here you have to joining with the similar shapes. Look, this one is same, and here chalk, and I will not draw on board, I will just discuss with you. You all please by drawing a line match with the similar shapes. Look, one has been done for you. This type of shape, cylinder type of shape, is the battery. Chalk, please match with this chalk, and this pencil, candle, and this bottle, and this jar, these all are this type of shapes. So please match. Okay, better you just put the number. If you draw the line, it will be matched. That means we cannot identify. Okay, so better you just put the number. Circle 1. You all please write 1 circle, and 2 square, 3 is a triangle, and a 4. Triangle means cone, and the 4 it is a cylinder like shape. Okay, so here just put the number. In the box 4 shapes are given. Circle 1, this square 2, this is a triangle, and this one is a cone 3, and the next one cylinder, it's a 4. Okay, understood? Do you have any problem? You just put the number inside the chart. 4 shapes as given, and that same number you just put the similar objects. Okay, here is given bottle. Bottle is like a cylinder, and 4, right here 4. Chalk, here is given chalk. This also, this cylinder, so write 4. Candle, it's also like this shapes. Here write 4. Pencil, it is also cylinder shape, so write here 4. And any other? And one has been done for you, that was maybe a battery. Okay, this is also 4. It is done for you. It already done this one in your book. Now, second one is watermelon, cricket ball, watermelon. There is a cricket ball. These all are 1. 1 means circle. Right here 1. 1. Any other? Here is another one. This type of shape. It is also 1. Balloon. It is also like a circle. It's also 1. Any other? Tomato. Let's see. Tomato. Put here 1. It's all are same shape. If you draw the line, it will match. Better you just put the number. Okay, it's a previous one. It's okay, Shugata. And now do this one. Put the number in the box here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the one shape, which one is the similar? Beside the object, you just write 1, 1, 1. Very good, very good. Very good, Aishman. And the next is any other one. And here is orange. This is also like circle. Write 1. And now brick. Brick, and the 2 boxes, gift bags and another box. Here is 2. 2. Write the gift box. It is 2. Because I am given 2 number in this cube. Okay. And here is another box. It is also 2. And brick. Brick 2. Okay. And 3 are there. This box, gift bag and brick. This 3, 2. And a cone. Cone, ice cream, cap, cone. These are cone. So please put there 3. Put there 3. And here is birthday cap. Birthday cap also 3. Okay. And cone ice cream, that 2, 3. And this side funnel like this. And this one also 3. Okay. Done, everyone? I hope done. Very good, Shomrik. Very good. Fine. Now, next one. Make pairs of similar shapes. Make pairs of similar shape. You have to make a pair that same shapes. Okay. And in the box is given. Can I rub the board, beta? Very good, all of you. Very good, Shushavon. You just put the number. Have you done the number? And first inside the box put the number, and that particular number you have to match with that objects. Okay. Now make. Can I rub the board? Have you completed? Reply me. Can I rub the board? Can I rub the board, beta? Yes or no? Quick. Okay, fine. Very good. Now, here is given make pair of similar shapes. Left side one box is given, and in this box few pictures are there, right? And one bottle, one chalk, one cone, one tomato, watermelon, funnel, brick, and drum. Okay, and the right side you have to match with the similar shapes. Here is given cricket ball, one type of jar, gift box, and birthday cap, and battery, candle, and balloon. Okay, now we have to match. One has been done. This cone ice cream and birthday cap, same. Okay, match. This is done. And beta, please you all mute yourself, beta. Otherwise your friends cannot listen to me. You also cannot listen to me. Everyone's, and Shuhana. Okay, fine. Now one has been done in your book. Here is cone ice cream and birthday cap, same similar shapes. And now bottle and this jar. Please, bottle and this jar match with this. Okay, water bottle and this jar. And tomato and balloon match. Tomato with balloon. And watermelon with cricket ball. Watermelon with cricket ball. Funnel with, and this cap is there, funnel with this cone, and drum and a brick with this box, brick box, and here is we can do one thing. This one with the candle jar, this jar with the candle, same shape, we can match it. And this one with the battery, it's also same shape. Okay, so match bottle with the jar, or you can bottle with the jar and a chalk with candle or the battery, because these all are the same similar shape. Okay, one match with that bottle with that this bottle, and candle match with this drum, the same shapes are shapes. Okay, same shape. Okay, done everyone? Okay, fine. Turn over the next page. Everyone, please turn over the next page. Sheikh Rihan, completed. Fine, very good. Rolling and sliding. Today I will discuss only this part, rolling and sliding. Okay, rolling means which one we can roll on the surface. Look, this is a pen. This is a pen, right? What is this in my hand? This is a pen. Its surface is like a, if I keep over on the decks, if I'm keeping this one in on my book, and look here, if I keep this one, it will just roll. Which one is called rolling? If I do like this, it will roll. So cylinder like shape can roll. And if I keep a chalk over here and just leave it, it will roll. Okay, but if I do this one, and this is a duster, it is a rectangle. Okay, and if I keep on my book, it will roll No, if I push, it will not roll, it will slide. If I push this one, square type of shape and rectangle shape, these shapes, if I keep on the flat surface and push it, it will not roll, it is called slide. But if I keep a tomato, a ball, a bottle and just push it and it will roll, it is called rolling. Okay, look in your book, rolling and sliding. The ball, this is a slide, and here the boy is sitting over there, and this slider and a ball is keeping a ball and just push, and the ball is rolling. And look, another slider, the girl is sitting, he just push a square shaped box. It is rolling? No, it is sliding. It is sliding. If I push, you all please keep your ball. If you have ball, or if you don't have ball, if you have the tomato or any other circle like of shapes, or you have pen or pencil, right? And you just keep that pen or pencil on your table and just push it. Let's see what the difference. You just watch it. Okay. Take your ball, take your pencil box, take your pencil and if you have chalk, if you have the bottle, you just push it on the flat surface and a slider. You just watch it, what happened. Which shapes is like a square or rectangle type shapes will slide, but the flat, but which surface is round, that is a ball, tomato, watermelon, and a cylinder like shapes, pen, pencil, water bottle, this all will roll on the flat surface. Okay, it will call roll. And the which one, and this is a square box, it is sliding and it is rolling. Now I hope your concept clear. Tick the object that will roll. Here you have to tick the object which can roll. You have to tick the object which can roll. Okay, you have to tick that object that can roll. Pencil, here is, I cannot draw nicely, don't laugh at me. Okay, and here is ball and butter and onion. Okay, okay, and tick the objects that will roll. Can you tell me which can roll? Pencil can roll. Yes, so pencil can roll. You just keep your pencil on the desk and push it, you can see it will roll. Ball, it can roll. Please tick the objects that can roll. Butter, it's a cuboid and it's a rectangle type shapes. It cannot roll, it will slide, so no need to tick the butter. Onion, if you push it on the floor, you can see it will rolling. Okay, it will roll, its surface will touch the floor. Okay, when you will move it. Okay, let's see. Tick the pencil, ball and onion that can roll. Okay, next tick the object that will slide. Tick the object that will slide. Okay, here is given cucumber, tomato, suitcase and battery. Can you tell me which one can slide? Tick the objects that will slide. Here which one will slide? Only which one will slide? Reply me beta. Yes, very good previous one who has answered me. Very good Shashmit and very good Ayushman. Okay, very good all of you, very good. Okay, here box, suitcase. It one, this one, tick the objects that will slide. But tomato will roll, battery roll, and cucumber also roll. Only box. Yes, very good all of you. For today, this much. Now I will take your attendance. If you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask me. Now I will take your attendance who are present. Please write down your P so that I can take your attendance. Okay. Odhya Mondol present today. Ayushman Sinha present today. Brishti Shaha present today. Porinita present today. And Samriddhi present today. And Sangasthita Mahato. Sangasthita, today is your first day beta. Sangasthita Mahato present today. And Shashmit Ghosh. Present today. And Shashmit Ghosh, then Shattoki Mondol present. Sheikh Hanifa present. Sheikh Rihan present today. And Somrik Roy Choudhury present. And Sugato Boiraggo present today. And Shuhana Parveen present today. And Shushovon Mondol present today. And Tomojit Shom present today. Okay. One more should be there. Shushovon, Sugato Boiraggo, Somrik, Sheikh Rihan, Shattoki, Shashmat, Odhya, and Ayon Choudhury. Okay, taken. I have taken your attendance. Odijit present today? No. Okay, fine. For today this much. See you next class, beta. And for today, bye all of you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. You all will practice and take some objects whatever have in your home, and you will just watch. If you push it, it will roll or slide. Okay. Bye. Bye all of you. Bye bye. Bye beta. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Have a nice day.